Are you worried about leading a happy and satisfying life? Or do you often worry if you are living the true purpose of your life? Or are you stuck in a job that is not your passion? If you are looking for the answers, this summary of the book Ikigai is just for you as we are going to address all these queries a few moments from now. In this video, I have used my personal photos. I took them in 2011 when we were in USA, America. So we went to Portland. There we visited Japanese garden. It's huge and very beautiful. So we had taken some photos. I'm using that in this video. I hope you will love them. Love these photos. They are very beautiful. Hi, hello everyone. My name is Nalini Ashwin and welcome to my channel, The Blissful. So, as you know, I have been sharing with you all book summaries, and the earlier book summaries you haven't heard, then I'll share the links in the description. So, today we will be discussing the book Ikigai by Hector Garcia and Francisco Miralles. So, we'll be knowing about learning important life lessons from Ikigai. So, Ikigai is a Japanese secret concept that tells you about longevity and happiness. This book tells us how, by following the Japanese concept of Ikigai, you can make your life long and happy. It is a fact that people living on Okinawa Island, Japan, live the longest and happiest life, according to the World Health Organization, who the world's highest life expectancy record is in their name. But what is their secret? Its secret is Ikigai, which is a Japanese concept. It means the joy of being busy. Ikigai is a Japanese word that means the reason for being, a reason to be alive, purpose of life, the reason for your coming into the world. The Japanese believe that every person has at least one Ikigai, which they get after understanding themselves. Ikigai is hard to find. People's whole lives go out looking for it. You'll be surprised to know that you also have an Ikigai. So now we'll know the reasons for reading this book Ikigai. The authors say that this is a concept of our Ikigai which helps make the body strong so that we can live longer. Once you feel like you have no clear purpose for living, no matter how healthy your other daily habits may be, your lifespan can be seriously shortened. And research has shown that there is a hack in life. Having a goal can prevent the development of genes associated with inflammation in the body, as well as slow down the process of cell death. Along with this, the authors of this book give us the main strong reasons for reading this book. So, there are 5 important reasons for reading this book. First, it shows the purpose. It could be as little as finding a better job, or looking to buy a home, cooking a special something, or a special dish, or passing an exam, but it helps us to be active because our goals, no matter how big or small, keep us going, which allows us to be active and happy. But to start anything, first of all, knowing about it and deciding the purpose is important, as it is crucial to allocate the time to start health, wealth, or business. The author tells his story and says that when he became aware of his big goal, he started getting peace and happiness in every small and big work related to it. And every action made him feel that his life would be happy, and which is true even today. It also gave peace to his mind that he is living a purposeful and meaningful life. Even though he sometimes got minor failures, focusing on the goal was essential to his happiness. Second reason, it inspires happiness. We often miss some of the most critical moments we like or need to be in our busy lives. But Ikigai advises that instead of being grateful for them, we should focus more on living those moments the next time we get the chance. This book gives you tips to imagine in your mind your happy activities, your best moments, present moments, and how it looks. and how good you feel in them, because we rarely notice that. Instead of how well we can do in the present, we keep worrying about the future. Therefore, taking time out and thinking about where I am in life, where I want to reach, and the necessary things to do to help human happiness and peace of mind both in the present and future. Third reason, happiness lies in simplicity. The people of Japan like simplicity. Many people have made significant inventions, written books, researched, and achieved great success. But they give importance to simplicity in life. They believe that the spirit of being together and active daily routine matters for a peaceful, healthy, happy, and long life. Apart from this, the Okinawa residents of Japan also give a mark of kindness. Fourth reason, it promotes health awareness. The book Ikigai makes us aware of how to be healthy. It tells us to constantly move the body, to be active, and to keep it at the moment. You can walk in your row in the office or do your desired activity. Fifth reason, it helps in increasing positivity. Apart from this, this book also helps us to stay positive while teaching our desired work and positive thinking. So, to summarize, what is Ikigai? Ikigai is the Japanese secret to a long and happy life, and this book is written by Hector Garcia and Francisco Miralles. It's a beautiful blend of philosophy, lifestyle, and longevity science. So, it means reason for being, the deep purpose that gives your life meaning and joy. It lies at the intersection of what you love, what you are good at, what the world needs, and what you can be paid for. So, what lessons we can learn from Okinawa, the town in Japan? These authors studied centenarians in Ogimi, Okinawa, a village known for longevity. Key lifestyle traits of these centenarians, that is the long living senior citizens, or strong community bonds, daily movement and light exercise, plant based diet, and small portions, and purpose driven lives even after retirement. So, these were the some insights and summary of what I shared in this episode. So in the next episode, next part, I'm also sharing the making next part 2. So there we can I'll be sharing how to find your ikigai in 12 steps. So you can also find your ikigai by using these 12 simple steps to follow. So yeah, that's all for today, and this was the part 1, and part 2, please also join me for part 2, which will be coming next week. So let me know how you found this. Was it helpful? Did you get some more information? And also, if so, please like this and share this with your friends and family. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and also please follow me in Instagram. All the links are given in the description and all this screen also. So if you have read Ikigai book, then let me know how you felt, and are you following it. So does it inspire you? Did it inspire you? Please let me know in the comments. Yeah, that's all for today. Meet in the next video. Till then, please take care of yourself. Bye bye.